go back to work if there wasn't some improvement in my state. I couldn't see how I could possibly go back to work and keep doing it. I had stopped work to go into the hospital because I needed some treatment. There was no one I could see that I'd be glad to see. There was nothing anybody could say that would cheer me. Although, as I've said before, I could still tell a joke. Even now I could tell a joke. Because I think the reason for that is that I also knew to be a joker, and I enjoyed the fact that people enjoy me. So somebody would notice me.